Skyline pigeons. You see, very nice place. Wala naman tao dyan, you see. Talking alone. Talking alone. I sure. Who knows? Somebody. Here we are. We are live here, guys, in Ferrari Park, Modena, Italy. This is a very nice park, guys. Wild park. Wild animals. There are many wild animals here. Last year there are many pigeons, but this year, no. May tao ba dyan? Wala. Wala nanood. You see? Wala nanood. Oh, ayan. You see how nice this park? I love my own. I love my own park. This park is part of me. That's why I love my own park. I love my homeland, or I love my own park also. When I arrived here, this park, they are planting trees. Planting the tree. Small. 1987. So that's why I remember this park. This park. No lake in that time. There's no lake. They are still working in that year. Okay, I go because I go to clinic later. No pigeon here. Pigeon. Shout out to silip-silip, somebody silip-silip, busy silip-silip.
È bravo anche Baby, però ancora non l'ho sentito abbaiare Baby. Adesso si è messo questo è il resto. Ha riconosciuto Baby come capo bianco.
Baby. Aso nila tawag baby. Baby. Let us see here. No, nothing. One day I will go to Milan. In Milan, cathedral. In the cathedral, there are many. So let's go. I go to Milan just to find a pigeon for my nephew. Puma 33. Noo ko. Init na.